Here is a lengthy, detailed, purely educational explanation on the topic condom. That is in English language. That is suitable for everyone. Everyone can listen this and can gain their knowledge. So, firstly, what is a condom? Condom is a barrier method of contraception used during sexual activity. It is designed to reduce the chances of unwanted pregnancy and to protect individuals from sexually transmitted infections such as HIV, AIDS, syphilis, gonorrhea, and chlamydia. Condoms are one of the most widely used and safest contraceptive method in the world because they're affordable, they're effective, and they are easy to use. Let's talk about the discovery of condom, history of condoms. The use of condoms dates back several centuries. Early forms were made from animal intestines or linen. With scientific advancement, modern condoms are now made from latex, polyurethane, or polyisoprene, making them safer, thinner, and more comfortable. Today, condoms are medically tested and approved by health organizations like the WHO, World Health Organization. Types of condoms. There are separate condoms for male and the female. So, firstly, male condoms. Male condoms are worn on the penis before sexual contact. It is mainly made up of latex and it is the most commonly used worldwide. It prevents sperms from entering the female reproductive tract. Thus, it protects both pregnancy as well as sexual transmitted disease. Here is the separate condom for the female that is worn inside the vagina. It provides protection by lining the vaginal walls, gives women more control over protection. It also protects the pregnancy as well as sexual transmitted disease. The condoms are made of different type of substances like latex, polyurethane. But polyurethane condoms are used by people which have allergy to latex. Mostly are made of latex and commonly used. But some people have allergy from the latex, then they use the condoms made up of polyurethane condoms. There are some natural membrane condoms also. Natural means they're not synthetic, but they can prevent pregnancy, but they're not effective in preventing sexually transmitted disease. How does condoms work? Condom कैसे काम करता है? Condoms work by acting as a physical barrier. During sexual activity, semen is released which contains the sperm. As we know that semen is made up of seminal plasma as well as sperms. The condom collects semen and prevents sperm from entering the uterus. At the same time, it blocks the exchange of body fluids. Hence, there is no exchange between the body fluids. This is effective in preventing sexually transmitted disease. The effectiveness of condom, it is 98% effective. With incorrect or inconsistent use, effectiveness may reduce. Means today you are using condom but yesterday when you have sexual activity you do not use, so उसकी इफेक्टिवनेस घट जाती है. लेकिन ये एक बहुत अच्छा मेथड है जो प्रेगनेंसी और एस दोनों को ही रोकता है. As it has no any hormonal changes, it does not contain any hormones like estrogen, progesterone. Thus, it has no side effect on the female body. But oral pills like I pill, unwanted 27, unwanted 72, they have the hormones in them. They are made up of estrogen or progesterone, or they they contain both their combination. Saheli is also oral contraceptive that does not contain hormone. It is also effective for the pregnancy. But जो सहेली है, जो लखनऊ ने सेंट्रल ड्रग रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट ने बनाई थी, वो प्रेगनेंसी रोक देती, बट इट इज़ नॉट इफेक्टिव इन प्रिवेंटिंग अस फ्रॉम द सेक्सुअल ट्रांसमिटेड डिसीज. Now let's end our topic with limitation of condoms. Condoms की कमियाँ क्या है? First one is it may tear if used incorrectly. If you do not know how to wear it, how to use it, it may tear during having sexual activity, which may cause pregnancy. It must be used every time. If you will not use, as I said earlier, it will be less effective. इट कैन बी डैमेज बाई शार्प ऑब्जेक्ट. अगर आप पकड़ोगे खींचोगे तो भी वो फट जाएगा. हीट करोगे तो उसमें आग लग जाएगी. नाउ आई विल ऑफ माई वीडियो, आई विल कंप्लीट माई वीडियो विद द लास्ट टॉपिक, दैट इज हाउ टू यूज इट एंड हाउ टू स्टोर इट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, चेक द एक्सपायरी डेट. येस, condoms हैव ऑल्सो एक्सपायरी डेट. ओपन द पैकेट केयरफुली. ऐसे आराम से ओपन करो, किसी नीडल के साथ या कैंची के साथ मत ओपन करो. क्या पता कॉन्डम फट जाए या कट जाए और वो आपको काटते हो सकता है. एक टाइम पे एक ही कॉन्डम का यूज होना चाहिए. यू मस्ट यूज वन कॉन्डम एट अ वन टाइम. डू नॉट रीयूज ए कॉन्डम. मोस्टली पीपल would what do, they use condom and after ejaculation it contains the sperms. What they will do, they will wash it and again they will use it. It should be avoided. We should not use it again and again. We should avoid exposure to direct sunlight. डायरेक्ट सनलाइट या फिर उसको हीट नहीं देनी चाहिए. उसका जो स्ट्रक्चर है वो बिगड़ जाता है. सो एट द लास्ट आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टैंड द इफेक्टिवनेस एंड द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ कॉन्डम्स. मैंने टॉपिक क्यों लिया है? क्योंकि ऐसे टॉपिक पे कोई बात करना नहीं चाहता. सब शर्माते हैं. सोसाइटी क्या बोलेगी, ये इस टॉपिक के ऊपर वीडियो बना रहा है, लोग क्या बोलेंगे, पेरेंट्स क्या सोचेंगे, आसपास के लोग क्या सोचेंगे. लेकिन मैं आपको एक बात बता दूँ, इंडिया में कोई भी सेक्स के ऊपर, सेक्स एजुकेशन के ऊपर बात करना नहीं चाहता, लेकिन फिर भी ज़्यादा आबादी इंडिया में ही है. गलत सेक्स एजुकेशन के कारण बच्चों की पूरी ज़िंदगी बर्बाद हो जाती है. तो मैंने आज ये ठाना है, रोज़ आपको एक वीडियो मिलेगी ऑन दी सेक्स एजुकेशन. पूरा डिटेल में खुल के पढ़ाया जाएगा. आज तो मैंने सिर्फ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज यूज़ किया, कल से आई विल यूज़ हिंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, हिंदी प्लस इंग्लिश. इंग्लिश की टर्मिनोलॉजी होगी और हिंदी में मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करूँगा ईच एंड एवरी लाइन कंसेप्ट एंड each and everything, the positions, then how to have sex, personal hygiene, pregnancy, periods, parturition, post pregnancy care, postnatal care of the baby, how to do breastfeeding, all of these. तब तक के लिए बने रहिए हमारे साथ. होती है.